I believe that we will! I believe that we will!
Hi, I'm Paige Schuster and welcome back to episode 17 of Trojan TV. Stuco distributed winter wishes for the last week of school. Here's a look at that. Senior Assassin just ended 2 weeks ago. Here are the final clips.
Hello, I'm Aiden.
I'm Barrett.
And we're the winners of Senior Assassin 2025. Much of a strategy behind it, except to slime out as many people as we could. It's a bunch of deals going on throughout the game, so it was a little bit of a struggle.
So we were supposed to get 1,400, and then Nick took 100, and then I don't know. Yeah, and then he gypped us of like $300 to give it to second and third place. So we got like, what was it, 1,100? Yeah, that's what we got. So like 500 each. But then we had to split it up in like thirds with Blair, Wiltshire, and a bunch of other people. Yeah. I already spent it on stuff for my truck.
I saved the majority of it.
Yeah, what he said.
Club photos wrapped up this week. Here's an inside look on them. The debate teams are just wrapping up their season. Let's take a look at that.
What is debate all about?
To me, debate is about like the process of researching and learning about topics and also communicating them to a judge in order to win a debate.
Can you tell me about this year's topic?
Yeah, so this year's topic is resolve the United States federal government should significantly increase its Arctic exploration and or development. That would, most like topical plans under this resolution would increase like military infrastructure in the Arctic Circle, or they would do research in the Arctic Circle to explore like melting permafrost.
How long have you been in debate?
Yeah, I've been in debate in 4 years. I joined my freshman year, and I've been doing it ever since. And this is the first year I started doing debate for the varsity division.
Are you liking this year's topic?
I don't know. It's pretty fun. So my AF that I'm running with Allison is Marine Cloud Brightening. So it's pretty fun getting to learn a little bit more about geotechnology like that. Basically, we just blast a bunch of salt into the air to help with the reflectivity of the top layers of ice and making more cloud coverage. It's also something that they've used in like Australia for cloud bleaching or light bleaching on coral. So it's been pretty nice to learn about that. Other than that, I don't know. This topic's kind of there's been some more fun ones like last year's with IPR, but yeah, kind of enjoying it.
How difficult is debate?
Depends on what you're doing in debate. I'd say for policy, it can be fairly difficult if you're just getting into it. But then once you kind of know the way that it goes, it's pretty easy. We have a really good teacher, Mr. Harris. So he makes it really easy to know what's going on, to be successful if you just put the work in.
What do you think the best thing about debate is?
Debate teaches you so many different things. I mean, the amount of knowledge that I've just gained from it, but the main thing I would say is debate just teaches you kind of how the world works. I mean, so many of the topics are critically important to understanding politics, the environment, and it really gives students the ability to take a deep dive into those issues so that they can learn quite a bit on that while teaching them how to argue, how to speak in public, and all of those skills are so critical to be successful in life.
On Friday, we had our last Pep Assembly of the semester. Here's a look at that.
Let's head out.
Hi guys, welcome back to Trojan Takes.
Today we're at Metro Bistro and we have a special guest with us.
Brooks. Okay, Metro is basically, it's like sandwiches, pastas, salads. They normally have really good specials every week. So yeah, it's just kind of this like one-off place in Andover. And yeah, it's really good.
You can just stop the music and sit here in silence because all of you guys are phone addicts. Look at all of you. Phone addicts.
In a food coma.
Phone freaking addicts. Phone addicts, I say. Phone addict. Phone addict.
I'm stalking people on
phone addict. Phone addict. Phone addict.
Girl, I never loved one like you. Ain't no man, you're my best friend. I'm screaming to the nothingness. There ain't nothing that I need. Well, hot and heavy pumpkin pie, chocolate candy, Jesus Christ. Ain't nothing please me more than you. Oh, let me go home. Home is wherever I'm with you. Oh, let me go home. Home is wherever I'm with
So, I got the hamburger, but it's not actually like a hamburger, it's like baguette bread, like instead of hamburger buns, and it's pretty good. I wish it was like juicier. Well, you got all of the stuff taken off of it. That's why it's not juicy. Okay. You got meat and cheese. That makes the meat like juicier.
I got the Philly cheesesteak, and it has like the meat, tomatoes.
The chips are on it.
Yeah,
That's cool.
and then some sort of sauce, but it's really good.
Got the junior BLT, and it comes with chips, and then a BLT, and it's like okay. I don't think I would get it again.
I got the bomb sandwich, and it's chicken, tomatoes, lettuce, bacon, and this like really good sauce, and it's amazing, and I get it every time I come here, and I rate it a 10 out of 10.
Okay, I got the caprese salad, just like tomato, mozzarella, and basil, and then also edamame, and they're both really good. The caprese salad has like oil or something at the bottom. Balsamic. Yeah, balsamic, that's what it is. And it's really good. And then they like salted the edamame and put like some pepper on it or something, and it's really good. So I rate this probably like 8 out of 10.
I rate mine 7 10. Mine's like a 7.5 out of 10.
Mine's a 4.
10, always.
I think it's an approve sometimes. I wouldn't do it for lunch, especially because it literally took us a whole hour to finish our meals and like everything. And it's kind of expensive, and you never know like how busy it's gonna be, so you can't really like go in and out. It is okay.
Yeah, we went in right when they opened at 11, and then now it's 11:59.
The mozzarella, the caprese was really good.
Yeah, and so is the edamame, my little snack.
I approve it. I think it's good, but I understand that a high school student would not.
Honestly, a college student too.
I would say like dinner with your family.
Yeah.
Yeah, dinner if someone else is paying for it.
Yeah.
Trojan mid. No,
Trojan up.
Kinda. Bye. See you next Trojan tape.
Catch you on the flip side.